Well, our Friday afternoon has been overall a pretty decent day weather-wise around the Coastal Empire and the Low Country. We started off the day with a lot of sunshine, but now we do have a bit of cloud cover above the region. But even with that, temperatures have been fairly warm, getting into the lower 80s for many locations this afternoon. In our visible satellite imagery, you can see the clouds streaming in from the west. This is ahead of the next system that will bring us the potential for a few showers throughout the day. Saturday, the sun getting a little bit lower on the horizon. That's why those clouds are disappearing right now, but definitely a little bit thicker out in West Georgia and across Alabama and Mississippi. So that is coming in ahead of a cold front, which will only bring us slightly cooler conditions by the time we get to the second half of this coming weekend. But right now, temperatures are in the upper 70s to lower 80s. We did make it to 83 degrees so far for Savannah. Once the climate report comes out soon from the National Weather Service, we will find out if we indeed broke a record for today. So I think that is a pretty high likelihood of that being the case. But either way, it is going to be a mild evening for us. Some fog is possible for us tonight as we go into the overnight, and first thing Saturday morning at times, those visibility readings will be down to around 0. So definitely use extra caution as we head out the door early in the day. But already by 8 and 9 o'clock, that fog will become a little bit more patchy in nature. And by the time we get to 11 and 12 o'clock, we should not have any major issues, though we could again have some sea fog developing. There has been a little bit of that for us this afternoon. So a little bit on the foggy side for our Saturday morning. Temperatures will climb into the lower 70s to upper 70s by lunchtime or so, with those highs once again making it into the lower 80s. It is going to be a fantastic day to spend it outdoors. There is a chance, though, a couple of showers will work through our area, but those chances at this point are right around 20% or less as we go into next week. Thanks to that cold front on Saturday, only slightly cooler conditions will be in the forecast. Temperatures will be trending back down into the 70s. We will have a stretch of mainly dry and sunny weather for the early part of next week, and then by the time we get to Wednesday and especially for Thanksgiving, the next storm system will start to move in. That will bring us the chance for some showers and storms on Thanksgiving. Even with that, though, temperatures will make it into the lower and middle 70s as that system clears off of the coast. Cooler and breezier conditions will set up for Black Friday. High pressure to our south is driving in the extra moisture, producing some showers across western Georgia right now and across Alabama ahead of that system that will be moving through for the weekend. So this is what we are watching that will bring us that potential for some showers across our area. Most of us will miss out on heavy rain. Rainfall totals will likely be around 1/10 of an inch or less, and that will be likely in the later afternoon and into the early evening hours when that frontal boundary will start to work its way through the Coastal Empire and the Low Country. For Sunday, we will be starting off with pretty pleasant conditions with a bit of cloud cover around. As far as those totals, again, not looking too bad as far as what those totals will be. However, we really do need the rain, so that 1/10 of an inch or less will not really help us out whatsoever with chipping away at the drought. Now, as far as the next 7 days, conditions are going to be looking pretty decent Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, and Wednesday, but then it's on Thursday for Thanksgiving when we do have that chance for some showers. Temperatures will be a little bit cooler. Black Friday will be cool and breezy with temperatures in the 60s, so the spring-like conditions will be going away pretty shortly. That's a check of your forecast for now. Andrew, back to you.